Welcome back, students who are taking financial accounting. And in this series of videos, we had been covering chapter 7, which was the cash and receivables chapter, and we were discussing the theory of it. However, as part of this assignment in the digital study guide, you were also referred to Appendix B, which covers the time value of money. So let me jump down to the correct slide here. So even though Appendix B, let me get the pen, Appendix B, even though Appendix B is not part of Chapter 7, and it was included here because it made the most amount of sense as far as the learning process is concerned. And the thing about the time value of money is that for students who have already had math for business and finance and math applications, this is nothing new, okay? Actually, even if you also had intro to business, it just dawned on me that it was covered in that subject. Time value of money is a very, very important concept. So you're going to see it time and time again. So if you're in any of the business curriculums, most likely you've already seen it so far. So this is just a rehash. And I'm not going to go back over it because, again, you should have learned this in one of your other subjects. So this here is like, should be easy. I mean, don't just skip over it because you had it before. I mean, look at it again. That's what repetition is about. And that's what helps you helps you to remember it in a long-term fashion. All right. But if you need the refresher, okay, out on the student community, here is the web address. Pause, write it down, type it into your browser, and pull it up, or go to the student community and click on academic groups. Then under the academic groups, click on business, and under the business, you'll see on the left-hand side, there is a section called Math for Business / Applications. And that had a deal, the idea of present value, future value, and annuities were covered in chapters 12, 13, and 14 in the textbook. So you can watch the theory videos for chapters 12, 13, and 14. And of course, if you still need, a refresher on doing the problems, you can watch the problem videos because I put the actual problem as at the start of every video. So you can look at the problem, work it out, and then play the rest of the video to see if you had gotten it right. So I'm not going to spend any more time on this, all right? Because again, it's something that you've had once, twice, and if for some reason you're one of those few students who are taking it for the first time, okay, taking financial accounting. Let's say you're a student who the only subject you have to take is financial accounting, and this is the first time that you're seeing it. Well, the appendix gives you enough information about the time value of money. But again, avail yourself of watching the theory videos out on the student community. And if you do that, you shouldn't have any problem with understanding the time value of money. If you do, feel free to telephone and speak with an instructor or email us. I mean, that's what we're here for, is to help you understand. But I'm not going to spend, another 3 hours just repeating something that I've already captured in video and put up on the community before. All right, so that's the end of this video, and pay attention to the next video, which will deal with petty cash.